Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to take a long screenshot on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone and in the search bar just search long screenshot. Now just scroll down and install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to install this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now just give this app this permission. Now just enable this toggle. From here, just tap on OK. Now just scroll down and tap on Screen Master. From here, just enable this toggle. And once you have done that, just go back. From here, just tap on Allow. Now just tap on Start. Tap on Next and tap on OK. Now to take a long screenshot on your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open any scrollable page on your smartphone. For an example, I will open the web browser app on my smartphone and just open any website on your smartphone. And once you have done that, now just tap on this icon on the side of your smartphone. Now, as you can see, we have successfully captured a screenshot on our smartphone. Now, to take a long screenshot, just tap on Stitch. Now, just tap on OK. From here, just scroll down. Now, just tap on plus to take another screenshot. Now, just tap on Start. Now, once you have done that, just scroll down. Now just tap on this plus icon to take another screenshot. Now just tap on Start. Now just do the same for the whole website. Just like that. Now once you have done that, just tap on the done icon over here. Now from here, just tap on this scissor icon to edit the long screenshot as you like. For an example, I will cut the navigation bar from our screenshot. And also I will cut this section from our screenshot. Just like that. Now from here, just scroll down and do the same with all the other sections of the screenshot. Just tap on the scissor icon. Now just cut the section which you don't want, just like that. Now just tap on done. Now just do the same with all the screenshots on your smartphone, just like that. Now once you're satisfied with your edit, just tap on save. Now from here, just go to your home screen and open the gallery app. Now as you can see, this is the screenshot we have just taken. Just like that. And this is how you can take a long screenshot on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.